Hi, I'm Cameron from Touched by Nature. My passion for wildlife started at a young age. Growing up, I was fortunate enough to spend a lot of time in the wilderness areas of South Africa. This sparked my curiosity and interest in the natural world, which ultimately set my path and led me to where I am today. Before I was able to start guiding, I found a way to share my passion working at a well-known bird sanctuary where I gained a lot of my current bird knowledge. Since my first experience as a guide over 10 years ago, I developed my skills and an understanding of animal behavior, working at some of the most exclusive lodges in this part of the world. Even though I enjoyed every single moment, there was something missing. Together with my partner in life, Candice, and our two Belgian friends who share the same passion and high standards, we founded Touched by Nature, combining it all to create a truly unique safari experience. For me to share why I've been touched by nature is my greatest joy. My goal as your host is to ensure that you leave with great sightings, but also to gain a deeper understanding of conservation, to connect with nature, and to understand our heritage. I welcome you to join us on this journey.